तो भाई लोग, क्या हालचाल। अभी पिपजीटी ने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया है, पाकिस्तानी कॉट स्प्रेडिंग इंडिया हेट। तो मुझे एक जिस्ट है कि ये वीडियो किस बारे में होने वाला है, क्योंकि अभी सैंडमैन ने एक ऐसा ही वीडियो अपलोड किया था जहाँ पे पाकिस्तान के लोग एक ग्रुप बना के इंडिया के बारे में हेट स्प्रेड करने की ये कर रहे हैं, मतलब पूरी साजिश कर रहे हैं। तो एनीवे वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के, और वीडियो के साथ ही बात करेंगे। ये शायद मेरा इंट्रो बन चुका है। वीडियो के साथ बात करेंगे, तो एक मिनट, चलो शुरू करते हैं।
Korean man dressed up as a pregnant woman and was harassed by Indians.
Yeah, this one.
We all saw this video, but it is completely fake. As per this Korean YouTuber himself, he wore the pregnant disguise in Bangladesh, not India. And he played Holi and enjoyed it in India as a man. The videos were clubbed together to target Indians and India. This lie was spread by a deliberate Telegram channel run by a Pakistani Canadian, Sadiq Ali. And this is what he wants to do to Indians.
Yes, that's right. And this got all the brown sepoys jumping the gun with their India hate ritual. Hi guys, this is your propaganda police Gogo. To my surprise, Pakistanis are behind the online hate against Indians.
Now you might wonder what's TF2 2919. It's Task Force 299 started by DGISPR to spread as much hate as misinformation against India after Operation Sindoor. Here you'll see how Sadiq openly incites his followers to in TG groups to commit violence against Indians. भाई ये तो पहले से पता था, पर कभी प्रूफ नहीं कर पाए ना अपन, पर ये लोग इतना ध्यान नहीं देने वाले। वेस्टर्न मीडिया को तो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
You're telling me the country that gave shelter to the most wanted terrorists in the world is behind this?
Yeah, very surprising.
And what's this Task Force 2990 they have created to spread Indian hate? Is this like a regular full-time job in Pakistan?
Asim Munir
Is this how they solve the unemployment crisis? They look so serious in these chats. Victor Codex India, Muzammil, copy this caption, post harder. We need to help our brothers.
अरे अपने को आसान जाना चाहिए यार, उनके ऐसे कैप्शन पढ़ के या ऐसी लैंग्वेज से हमें पता चल जाना चाहिए कि कहाँ से आ रहा है ये कमेंट।
Media jihad. We can't get a better opportunity to do PR for Pakistan. Yes, this is exactly how Pakistan will pay off its IMF loans and save its dying economy. Sadiq Ali, a Pakistani, is on a mission to spread false information and incite violence against Indians.
Sadiq Ali.
Is it so difficult to understand? These Chinese and Pakistani propaganda groups are being run by criminal-minded digital terrorists.
भाई कितना टाइम है यार इनके पास?
These videos are just the tip of the iceberg. Their goal isn't only to justify racism against Indians. And guess what? The Singapore government noticed the Chinese propaganda against Indians and blocked anti-India content. And what did the Indian government do about it?
Nothing.
Nothing. At the very least, they could have made groups like the Pakistani or Chinese task force, isn't it?
Nah, that will be so shameless.
There are groups and accounts that exist just to spread anti-India misinformation. This is nothing. It's just another attempt of Pakistan to fix its unwhitewashable image of being a terrorist-producing country.
My God.
And you shouldn't be surprised to know that a lot of Indian content creators and politicians amplify their propaganda.
लगता है इनके सारे क्रिकेट के खिलाड़ी उधर ही जाके बैठे हैं। लगता है क्रिकेट में कुछ खेल नहीं पा रहे तो उधर ही जो मचाना उधर मचाएंगे। हरामी साले।
This is just sad and shameful.
India ranks 157 out of
My God,
180
भाई,
on the press freedom.
I swear, मैं ये वीडियो आज ही दोपहर को देखा और मैं सोच रहा था कि इस पर रील बनाऊं। बहुत बढ़िया, मैं इसी में से कट करके इसको अपलोड कर दूंगा।
Index. This is below a Pakistan and a Bangladesh. Are these
Palki is
rankings
awesome, bhai.
giving you sleepless nights, Palki?
I love every time one of these reports comes. So there was a democracy index. India ranked below Niger in Africa. Niger continues to have a military junta. They jailed their president, but they are a better democracy than us. There's something called the happiness index. Pakistan ranks above us. Broke, infested by terrorism. Clearly, they don't understand this country, or they don't want to understand.
And this portrayal of India by the Western media, where is it coming from? Is this deep-rooted bias towards India, or is it hate?
When we had a big win in space.
I remember that.
You remember that cartoon, right? That bias is so ingrained. They still see India as the land of snake charmers.
Narendra Modi as that spear charmer.
I remember doing a story post the Pahalgam attack. 8 out of 10 were written by Pakistanis in international newsrooms. All 10 basically talked about Pahalgam as related to Kashmir and not a terrorist attack. It was a terrorist attack.
And then you have
और
Indians who
अगर आप
just
तुम
cannot hear.
सोचोगे तो दुनिया के बाहर, अगर इंडिया के बाहर देखोगे तो ज़्यादातर खबरें लोगों को जहाँ से मिलती है, वो इंटरनेशनल जो ऑडियंस को खबरें मिलती है वो होती है ये सारी वेस्टर्न मीडिया से। और अगर वही इतनी बायस है तो भाई हम क्या ही कर लेंगे बताओ। हमने खुद का कितना भी पीआर चला लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया। अभी भला हो सोशल मीडिया का, लोग बाहर से भी लोग इधर देख सकते हैं, ज़्यादा न्यूज़ पे ये नहीं करते, पर अभी तक न्यूज़ ने जितना प्रोपेगेंडा फैलाया है उसका हम क्या ही कर लेंगे।
Anything nice about themselves. Oh, you look too good to be an Indian. Well, I'm not Indian. I'm actually Pahari, part Bihari, with my ancestors from Kerala. Shut up! All of that is India. By the way,
खास
did you
करके
hear
भाई
about
ऐसे
the
लोगों से मेरे को
celebrity
नफरत
dog
है।
in
मेरे कमेंट सेक्शन में मत मिल जाना भाई, माँ कसम। मैं वैसे भी डिलीट ही कर देता हूँ ऐसे कमेंट जो इंडिया के डिवाइड होने के या एंटी इंडिया एंटी नेशनल ऐसी बातें करता, मैं उनको डिलीट कर देता हूँ।
China that was literally stolen and eaten? No, I'm not kidding. This is official. The celebrity dog had over 1.5 million followers. This happened recently. Yes, it's difficult being a dog in China, even if you're a celebrity. This would have been more believable and relevant if it was the lockdown era, when the whole world hated China because of the Chinese virus. Now they are trying to shift the hate towards India.
और ये प्रूवन भी है कि साले, जैसे कि सिंगापुर ने उन्हें बैन कर दिया क्योंकि वो एंटी इंडिया हेट और एंटी इंडिया पोस्ट इसके अंदर फ्लड कर रहे थे सिंगापुर के अंदर। अगर बात करें अरुणाचल प्रदेश की तो भाई वहाँ पे भी एंटी इंडिया और इंडिया से अलग होने का प्रोपेगेंडा इतना स्प्रेड किया जा रहा है ना कि पूछो मत।
It's India.
वहाँ पे कुछ लोग तो ऐसे भी बना रहे जैसे चाइना को शिफ्ट हो जाता है ऐसे वैसे। मैं मानने को तैयार ही नहीं हूँ कि इसमें चाइना का कोई हाथ नहीं है। कंटिन्यू करता है।
Don't pick up your phone.
Hate Indians because they are highly skilled and they steal your jobs. Because they
अरे
have a
ये नहीं
religion
भी
that
कर रहे
doesn't.
हो तो यार आप दूसरे ह्यूमन को क्यों हेट करना चाहोगे? अब मैं भी क्या ही पूछ रहा हूँ। ये सारी भाषण देने के चक्कर में मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा क्योंकि ह्यूमन नेचर है भाई।
Blindly follow a book and asks you to question the existence of this universe. Because the cities are dirty, unlike the rest of the world, which is heaven. Because there's a tiny village nobody knows about that celebrates the Cow Dung festival. But don't talk about the sheep poop throwing festival in Ireland, or the Indonesian coffee literally made from elephant poop. Anyway, so this lady went to one of the filthiest places in India, even according to Indians, but had a different experience from what the propaganda creators say.
How do you stay in India? It's so dirty, it's so crowded. Well, now I'm in Delhi. Look how lovely area. India is a huge country with the greatest culture. If you're looking for gold, you'll find gold. If you're looking for rubbish, you'll find rubbish. I've been to Goa, have the best memories from there. I've been to Rishikesh, Agra, Jaipur. See, like, what you see on social media, it's very forced. This is the dirtiest country they speak about. Washing the floor outside. If you're coming to India as a tourist, I would just suggest to know someone from here so they can tell you which areas are better. For me, I'm not going to dirty places, I'm not going to dangerous places. Delhi is not the greatest city of India, but you can find good spots here.
See,
और
India
भाई
has its
मैं
issues.
शायद पिछली बार किसी वीडियो में भी ये बात कर चुका हूँ। और इंडियंस भी ना ये सारी गलत चीज़ें देख के इंडिया के बारे में कि इंडिया में यही बुरा हो रहा है, यहाँ पे बुरा हो रहा है, कचरा फेंक रहे हैं, रास्ते अच्छे नहीं है, ऐसा वैसा हो रहा है, ये सब कुछ देख के इनमें भी इन्फीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स जागता है। और मेरा शायद पहला ही वीडियो था ये। वाह, दिन निकल गया यार। एनीवे, तो लोग अगर इंडिया के बारे में बुराई देखेंगे और तो उनकी ऐसी सोच बन जाएगी कि इंडिया का कुछ अच्छा ही नहीं हो सकता।
Corruption, pollution, education, it has all of that. Like many other places in this world, going from a colonially destroyed country to one of the major economies within just 60 years is not a joke. Preserving its culture, religions, and languages after thousands of years of invasions is not a joke. And this is just the beginning. Of course, it has its enemies that try to break it internally. Of course, the West has always had an agenda against India. This shouldn't be news to you. I'd like my fellow Indians to again ask this question to themselves. If the invaders and colonizers couldn't do it over thousands of years, what makes you think this propaganda will work in 2026? Indians are used to it now.
Well, this is my first showcase. I know that so many of you have been here with us for the last 25 years. So if you look down and you have fan on your badge, you will be getting one for free later this year.
एक्सपोज लेने का चांस चला गया मेरा.
Be like her. She was hated all over the internet when she became the CEO of Xbox, and one of the reasons was just because she's of Indian origin. But all she cared about was her work. She proved her potential, and now those same people are calling her a gaming goddess. Except the blind racists and Pakistani terrorists. Now what? Pakistanis will boycott Xbox? GTA 6, the most anticipated game in the history of humanity.
उसकी largest
The
team
majority of the
Indian है.
developers are from India. Apparently, India haters won't play that game because it smells like curry.
मत
In fact, they are planning to leave YouTube because the CEO is Indian. Also, they're planning to boycott Microsoft and Google for the same reason. In fact,
कहाँ
they're
से
planning to
जाओगे
get off OnlyFans and squeeze
कहाँ से जाओगे? इतनी जगह पे तो इंडियंस है, सीईओ बन चुके हैं, चेयरमैन बन चुके हैं, तो जाओगे कहाँ से? क्या क्या बंद करोगे यूज करना?
Vina to some Chinese AI girlfriend because the CEO is Indian. What I mean to say is, meritocracy beats propaganda and hatred any day. Also, I would really like to see India get back to its roots and value meritocracy so that the brain drain finally stops. They need to be using all that potential to grow India, especially considering the current anti-India climate.
It's just sad how much social media has done India wrong. Like, it's such a beautiful country. Look, there's places like this Nongzhong. Look at this place. A valley above the clouds. Absolutely amazing. There's so many beautiful places, and it's just sad that social media will only show people the slums, the bad street food. But it's like, what? Are you serious? What's this? It's like one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
Well,
See,
social
these
media
videos
has
don't grow
ruined
for a
people.
reason. It doesn't fit the narrative that they're trying to set on the internet. There are thousands of micro niches on the internet to support.
इंडिया इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है यार. हम खुद भी कभी इंडिया के पूरी चीज़ें नहीं देख पाएंगे, अगर शायद देख पाएंगे अगर इतना पैसा और इतना टाइम हो हमारे पास तो.
Your confirmation bias. You see what you want to see. An average person isn't as horrible as the show in these hateful propaganda videos. You can have your reasons to hate India. You can also have your reasons to love India. But don't force your beliefs and prejudices on others. Propaganda doesn't change the reality.
वेल भाई, मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि ये वीडियो इतना अच्छा जाएगा. आई रियली थॉट कि ये वीडियो मेरा वैसा ही वीडियो होगा जिस शॉर्ट्स पे व्यूज़ बिल्कुल नहीं है, जो ऐसा ही जाएगा थोड़ा डल. पर ये वीडियो बहुत बढ़िया था और थैंक यू फॉर द वीडियो पेप्सिटी. और आपको भी टाटा बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.